As an investor, आप always, you're looking for that starting point of
तो कभी ये नहीं सोचते कि ये ब्रांड फैमिली ओन है.
family owned businesses जो हैं over a longer term are able to deliver better price returns.
क्यों एथोबीज बेटर परफॉर्म करते हैं?
जो business resilience है, long term view है.
विच वन इज योर फेवरेट? हम साथ साथ है, हम आपके हैं कौन, कभी खुशी कभी गम, एंड द लिस्ट गोज ऑन. एक टाइम था जब भी आप बॉलीवुड मूवीज में उनकी स्टोरीज में अगर फैमिली एंगल डाल दो ना तो ब्लॉकबस्टर होना पक्का था. एंड इट सीम्स कि बिजनेस में भी ये फॉर्मूला एक हद तक काम करता है, एटलीस्ट व्हेन इट कम्स टू फैमिली ओन्ड बिजनेसेस. जेट,
I've actually never thought of it like this. There is some data that suggests कि family owned businesses जो हैं over a longer term are able to deliver better price returns, share price returns compared to professionally owned businesses. So yeah, it was very interesting data that we came across, and our thought process here was कि as an investor आप always, you're looking for that starting point of where to look for an opportunity. Effectively आप क्या करते हो? That's why you break the stocks into sectors, into different market sizes, etc. So we thought, why not take this as a split and look at performances from family owned businesses and professional businesses, and that's how we got started on this topic.
Yeah, kudos to you, because जब भी हम लोग एज अ कंज्यूमर कोई भी सर्विस या प्रोडक्ट यूज करते हैं तो कभी ये नहीं सोचते कि ये ब्रांड फैमिली ओन है या नहीं है. एटलीस्ट ये दिस थॉट नेवर क्रॉसेस माय माइंड एटलीस्ट, right?
Yeah, so the thing is, difference आता है when it comes to share price performance and stuff like that. As consumers, I mean, there is a Maggi which Nestle makes. There are so many other products made by other companies which are professionally run. आप day to day में use करते हो and they are just as dear to you. So
Yeah, exactly. But coming back to that research that you've come across for this article, what does it say? क्यों एथोबीज बेटर परफॉर्म करते हैं? What are the factors that attribute to their success?
Sure. So we've cited a survey जहाँ पे basically कुछ 500 companies को लिया गया था. 350 of them were family-owned businesses, and the answer that comes out is that share price performance, family-owned businesses tend to deliver better returns compared to professionally owned businesses. Now, two reasons here can be that the ability to generate profit, the ability to generate free cash flows is higher for family-owned businesses. They've actually demonstrated and done that also, which is what translates into better share price performance. Now, if you just take a step back, a very major difference जो family business और professional में होता है is family businesses are able to take a slightly longer view. I mean, a professional manager every year he or she has to justify कि यार मुझे ये job क्यों दिया गया है, and that is good in some ways. But at a family business वो एक long view जो है वो आप ले सकते हो, which brings in some amount of resilience. It also to a certain extent cost consciousness ज़्यादा होता है. So all of this effectively translates to into maybe better fundamentals for the business, which helps give better returns.
Right. जय, अपने आर्टिकल में आपने बहुत सारे फैमिली ओन्ड बिजनेसेस इंडिया में जो हैं उनके बारे में बात की है. Which one is your favorite, like the most inspiring story as per you?
The one that I am most fond of is definitely the Tata Group. The 100-year-old business, still around, still profitable, generated huge amount of wealth for their investors, have done so ethically. So I find that story definitely very inspiring, and it's the kind of business I look for, for myself.
So thank you so much, Jay, for this conversation, giving us such interesting insights on this entire concept of family-owned businesses and why they work so well. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस एपिसोड. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इसे लाइक एंड शेयर जरूर करें. कमेंट्स में हमें फीडबैक भी दें, आप क्या नेक्स्ट देखना चाहते हैं ये भी बताएं. और साथ ही अगर आपको अपस्टॉक्स ओरिजिनल्स के और भी आर्टिकल्स पढ़ने हैं देन प्लीज डिस्क्रिप्शन चेक कीजिए जहां पर हमने लिंक दी हुई है.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.